Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are not in the studio, we are at my place, which is extremely small, and the reason that we are here is because Peter wanted to shoot me with my kitten, and we knew that we couldn't take him to the studio because he doesn't like being disturbed. So yeah, we're just going to shoot in a really limited space and see if we can get the cat to cooperate.
So I scoped out the room and scoped out the light. I brought some Constance lights, but I didn't like it. It lost the feeling of what a real house has. It just made it too flat. So I packed them back in the car. I'm going to shoot with the Hasselblad today. I don't have lots of light. I'm at 800 ISO, which I don't mind, but I don't want to really go much lower than 3.5 at 1/20th. So I am going to underexpose these, and I'll just go to pull it up in post because I also like that sort of filmic thing that happens when you bring that noise in. Yeah, that's the sort of feel I'm going for. So I haven't taken the shot as yet. I'm just metered from the camera as my guesstimate to where I'm going to start. Cool. And the main thing I'm looking at, I know that I'm pretty happy with the lighting, so I've moved the curtains pretty much to where I wanted them to get the lighting where it is. This is under by a fair bit. This is what I'm going to do in post. Take it up to just over and then back it off. And that's going to be my post starting settings. Just going to zoom in. Yeah, that's fine with me. That bit of noise in there is fine with me because I most likely add some noise at the end as well. 3.5, I might just take a shot at 2.8. It'll make the whole picture a touch softer, but I really don't care about them, things like that. I'm not, in fact, it's take it down 2.8. It's fully wide open. I know this lens is a bit soft, fully wide open, but I actually prefer something a bit soft. And now if I bring up, yeah, see, I only have to bring it up a small amount now. No, I don't have to bring it up at all, actually. No, I'm going to actually stick to where I was. I think I'll run at 3.5. I actually like that look. And I've got a little bit more control if the sun moves a little bit. So just come back up to 3.8. Cool. That's nice, that's cool. So I haven't had time to work back into her sneezing. Let's see if I go a touch higher. So at the moment now, all I'm doing is painting. I'm looking carefully through the viewfinder, looking at everything in it and painting my shot. I think I prefer it that touch higher, but I think I need to be a little bit closer now. So what I'm doing now is the little bit of down, this little bit, the curtain showing there, I don't think I want that. And I don't want that. Now everyone says, oh, you can always crop it afterwards. My brain doesn't work like that. My brain more works as what I see through the viewfinder is my painting, and that's how I want to paint it. Well, that fixed both of those things for me. I've got a little constant light and I'm just shining into the curtains to get a little bit more kickback onto the side of Beck's face, just to get a little bit more strength in that back rim light. So I'm just going to take a shot and see the difference that's added to see if I like it or hate it more. No, dislike it. So I've turned it down. It was at half power before. I've turned this down to about a 10% power. And all I'm doing is looking at the three pictures. Yeah, at 10%, I'm liking that it's doing what I want to do more than that. It's only subtle, but it's just, you'll just see it's just a touch brighter on each of those areas, and that's what I'm liking from that. Now I could come over and throw it in the other window, but I think that I'm happy with the light from that window anyway. I'll just take one more test shot. Cool, that's really cool. And now adjust my exposure just before going off. Might just do a bit of post on this now. Definitely going to black and white. I think I'll be either green channel or default. I might just run at default, I think. I'm liking that. So first thing, I'll just pull off the highlight a bit quicker. Make sure I've got plenty of room in my blacks for what I'm about to do. So I'm trying to get a filmy type of feel out of this. So don't want the blacks too pitch black, but I still want to have, it's hard, I'm sort of running in between. Yeah, I'm liking this. I think once I put my film grain over the top of this, because I want this to feel a little bit filmy, that's why I'm trying to get my blacks to be a little bit milky. I'm just going to shoot for a little bit and see what we get. Cool. Cool. So you've just got to work about feel again, sit in a way that's making you feel the way you want to look, so you don't have to worry about trying to pose it. It's just that. So I'm just fine tuning my angles just a tiny bit. Move my chair slightly. That's cool. That's really cool. So if you look down here, you'll see this is annoying me. Yes, I could Photoshop it out, but isn't it quicker and more visual to me if I just, that's really cool. Nice. That's cool. And there's one thing now, it won't be there for every picture, and I think it's quite cute when I do see it. What? Just your Tootsie hanging out under the table. That's really cool. 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 So I'm just letting Beck get into a flow, and what I mean by that, it's more that what I'm trying to do is let Beck feel her pose that she's doing, rather than try and put a pose on, sit in a way that makes her feel the way she wants for this shot. That's cool. That's really cool. You'll see how much that just changed the pose by that leg going on the table. That's really cool. Nice, nice. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I really like that a lot. That's cool. It's cool. Nice, nice. Now, the whole reason that we've come out of my beautiful, comfortable studio in this hair-ridden, dead plant jungle wasn't to show off where Beck lives, is because I want to do a series of shooting models and their pets, and Beck's so-called little kitten is not a little kitten, it's a friggin' overgrown hairy cat with attitude. Cool, that's really pretty. I'm just making sure I got shots in case, not in case, I know what's going to happen when the cat comes out, because it's such an obedient cat, it's going to go absolutely feral. I'm not jinxing it. Beck sent me a picture last night showing me how well behaved it was. Not cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Nice. Cool. Stunning. I'm loving this, Beck. Really cool. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's get the superstar in. All right, cool. Let's see Psycho get into. Oh, it's got Psycho ads. Cool, cool, cool. I know at the moment it's looking like Garfield. All I'm getting is nothing but eyes and stomach. Oh, that's pretty cool. Dumb falling out cat. Now it looks like one of those cool, the old shoals from the 20s where they had the whole animal's head and legs still on the shoals. Except I want eyes. I want eyes. That's better. Give me eyes, cat. Eyes. Cool, cool. Oh, that's really cool. What I can do a little bit, this cat is so, that's cool. That's really cool. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. I like that. That's cool. That's better. It's looking, yeah, it looks like a devil now. Cool. They're pretty. That's really pretty. Will it lay up your leg with its arms over, or will it lay across your stomach? I do have a rule not to shoot animals or children, and I got both in the room at the moment. That's cool. That's really pretty. Except it's doing a beck. It's doing the look away. Have you been training your cat how to do your selfies?
Yes.
Cool. Cool. When the cat wags its tail, does that mean it's about to attack and kill something?
Most likely.
I think it means it's pissed off.
I think so.
Yeah, the tail's starting to go. Oh, if it would just shit right there, that. Oh, except I get nothing but window. Cool. Might have really bad overexposure happening out the window. It's a blob on the table.
Okay. Do we move it?
It actually does look like a big turd sitting on the table.
Oh, it does.
It looks like a turd with a head. All right, you're going to have to rock it then. It's up to you.
We'll try.
Cool. So we've given up on the animal. We'll just shoot the child. Cool. That's really cool. Cool. That's nice. Eyes, yeah, cool. That's really nice. I like the eyes there. That's really pretty. Cool, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. Cool. I like the fact that when I shoot in Airbnbs, and I can shoot in a place that we can shoot where on a couch or a table, I get so much better attitudes off a model because just the way they sit and lean gives the attitude. They don't have to do any more than just give me eyes. So everything else has already been done for them. Their shapes are really nice. Cool. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool. As soon as you get lost, just change your pose so it just becomes feel rather than you trying to think what to do. Cool, cool. That's pretty, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, I really like that. Cool. Cool. I did like those ones that you're leaning on the table. We might just finish with those. Is that cool? I did like the feel. You gave a really good fit there. That's it. Cool. That. You're beautiful, beautiful. Stunning, stunning. Cool. I like that. I really like that. Just eyes. Beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Cool. That's really pretty.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that and you got to see the joys of shooting with animals. If you want to check out some other videos that we've done shooting in Airbnbs and stuff like that, I'll pop them on the screen now.